4.5. Determine the equation of the line through C that makes an angle of 45 degrees with the positive x-axis. Write your answer in the form of y is equal to. Okay, so here we are supposed to determine an equation of a line through C. So C is the turning point of the graph of x. C is here. Let us just say this is C, and then we are supposed to determine the equation of a line which makes an angle of 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees. So we have to determine the equation of this line. First, we have to determine the gradient of this line. And the gradient of this line, we can get it with this formula. M is equal to the tangent of the angle of the line. So the angle of the line is 45 degrees. So the gradient of the line is equal to, what is tan 45? Tan 45 is equal to a positive 1. So the gradient of this line is a positive 1. And then how do we calculate that equation of the line? We know our formula of calculating an equation. We have a y equal to mx plus c. So we have one point which is on this line, and that point is the coordinate of c, which is -1, -4. So we will use this point of c to get this equation. So for the y value, we will substitute with a -4, and for the x value, we will substitute with a -1. And that is -4 equal to m is a positive 1, and the x value is -1 plus c. So now let us calculate the value of c. So we have -4 equal to positive 1 multiplied with a -1, that is a -1 plus c. To get the value of c, we will have to take the -1 from the right hand side to the left hand side. So we will add 1 and also add 1 here. So c is equal to -4 plus 1, that is a -3. Therefore, our equation of this line is y equal to a mx plus c, and let us substitute with these values. We know y is equal to, the gradient is 1 x plus c, which is a -3. So now let us write this equation properly. That is y equal to 1 multiplied by x is the same as x, and then plus -3 is the same as -3. So this is the equation of this line, and that is just how we write it in the form of y equal to something, and here it is y equal to x minus 3. So that is just how we do it. And again, if you have any questions regarding this question, please do leave those questions on the comments section. Next, we have question 4.6. 4.6 says, is a straight line determined in question 4.5 a tangent to f? So f is this graph. Is this line a tangent to this graph? Which will explain our answer, and that is 2 marks. So this line is not a tangent. I believe the only tangent to this graph can be a straight line or straight horizontal line, because a tangent has to touch the graph at only one point, but this line touches the graph at 2 points. If it's at an incline, it will touch the graph at C and some other point, or it will cut at 2 points. It should just touch it here if it were a tangent. Alright, so let us proceed to 4.7.